Isn't this a welcome sight when you know the wave pool is open and the people are in it? Did you know there's a water park right here in the Charlotte area?
It is at Carowinds, and it's included with your admission.
Carowinds Carolina Harbor Waterpark is now open for the 2022 season.
Yay!
Let's get ready to get wet and go on this adventure that rocks. Did you know that even Carolina Harbor is split between the Carolinas? I had no idea. If you haven't been out here before, this water park is pretty big.
And we have a lot to cover.
So let's get started. Boogie Board Racer is Carowinds' newest slide.
And did you know that 6 people can go at the same time on this?
So for those that don't want to carry all your water gear, your towels, your sun lotion through the main entrance of Carowinds, if you've never been to the park before, and maybe you've just moved to the Carolinas and you just want to enjoy the water park that is Carolina Harbor, drive all the way around Carowinds because they do have a separate water park entrance. That's really cool. Through the main parking entrance and just drive all the way around. But yeah, there's the actual water park entrance itself. And you just come in right up against the water slides and just enjoy the water park.
Barracuda blasters.
2 people can go down this enclosed tube at the same time.
And you get dropped into 3.5 feet of water. I bet it's cold too.
It's a big splash. How can you not love the look of Seaside Carowinds? I love this look. I love the surfboard features. I love the whole beach theme of this. And of course, I love how they have, what are those, like pelicans up there? Or are they seagulls? And of course, that great big bucket of water, you know, is getting ready to dump on top of someone. And how they have all the fun slides all over. But we know what you're here to see. You guys want to know about that great big bucket. Like, I wonder how many gallons of water that thing holds. And I wonder if that thing's gonna hit on top of me. Woo! Just missed it. Thank goodness. But I will say, you are definitely not staying dry if you get on top of this thing to go down some of these slides. And I love how they have all different kinds of slides on this whole water play structure. It's just so fun out here. So I figured out this clock right here. This clock lets you count down from the 5-minute mark. So if you're ever curious, how long do the waves last at the wave pool? It's every 5 minutes, then it takes a break to just still calm water, and then the waves launch again.
Nope, you're not seeing things. Carolina Harbor actually has 2 gigantic wave pools.
That's so cool. New this year, in front of the wave pool, you're gonna notice this fence. You might be inquiring why. And I actually kind of like this as idea. It's just to help from little kids just racing off into that wave pool. For maybe mom and dad aren't ready for the kids to be wandering off so fast. So they just have one central entrance that everybody has to go in and out of. Have you seen any pirates out here? For those pirates in training, I think we found the place.
Can you believe that this structure right here does not have 3, 4, 5, but 6 slides right there?
Arr!
Fit for a pirate like rock.
Coastal Currents to Lazy River isn't open just yet, but don't worry, it will be coming very soon. And put it in the comments down below. Is your favorite the body slides?
Or the tube slides?
If you've ever been curious about cabana rentals, you gotta check this out. Your cabana rentals come standard like those blue ones over there. And yep, it's right by the wave pool. You have your premium cabanas, which are nice. And I noticed in their premium cabanas, you have a little refrigerator, you have your chairs, you have a table, you have like your outdoor beach umbrellas and patio sets. Then you have the day club cabana, and you gotta check this out. And look who else is in here. You recognize these two. You got Butch, the Crazy Pop, hanging with the Crazy Crew. You know these two channels. And of course, Dustin, if you have not went and found Carowinds Fans Only on Facebook, you want some Carowinds history, remember Smurf Island? Remember the monorail? This is the go-to Facebook page for Carowinds. And definitely check out Butch if you want some nice cooking, but you gotta check out, we're gonna put the links in the description for the Facebook page and his YouTube channels in the description down below, but you gotta check out the Day Club Cabana. Let's go inside. Check this out. You got TVs in here with remote controls. You got fan, or is that an AC? It might be, I can't tell if that's an air conditioner unit or not. You got these tables with electric hookups, so I'm not sure what these tables do. USB ports, so it's kind of like a bar-like table out here, so you guys can just kick back and watch everybody at the pool. They'll give you towels. You've got a refrigerator stocked up here with water, and you know how much Sandy loves to keep me hydrated, and they say this place will seat 24 people, or like I've told them, we're the party right here. So this day club is definitely a cabana you definitely want to pick up if you can while you're out here at Carowinds. Thirsty for drinks, margaritas, daiquiris? They got it right here at the bar. Gift shops, you know they got them out here at Carolina Harbor for all that pool needs. Oh, definitely need this guy right here. This is definitely a must. If you have your cell phone and you want to go hit the pool with it, these protectors are great for that. This Turbis tumbler, thrill seeker, and can keep your water cold for 48 hours. That's pretty awesome.
What a quote to start or end up with, right?
Seize the day.
And we saw the day for sure here at Carolina Harbor.
As you can see, there definitely is a great water park out here in Charlotte and the Carolinas.
Yep, North and South Carolina.
Right here at Carowinds Carolina Harbor. We hope you guys enjoyed this look around, and as you can see, it's great for the little ones and the big kids in all of us.
Yes, all kids of all ages.
So if you haven't hit that like and subscribe yet,
What you waiting for?
because you really never know where we're going to end up next. Be sure to make each and every day, including those hot ones where you definitely want to cool off, an adventure that rocks. Seize the day! Arrgh!